Persistence Avenue in the far east of El Paso, Texas. This home features 3-bed, 3-bath, and it is just over 1,900 square feet. All right, let's just walk in. So to my right, we have like a little office space here. Nice ceiling design above. Then we have the powder room right here. And on this side, we have the laundry room. It comes with a sink. And then on the entrance, we have a nice modern chandelier above. And here we have the 2-car garage, tankless water heater. I just want to give a quick thanks to Rangel with Clearview Realty for allowing me to film his listing. Look at this beautiful island here. Modern light fixtures above. Just look at this, guys. Underneath the cabinetry, it's got some LED lighting, as you guys can see. And then so to this side, we have the living room, electric fireplace, sliding doors that lead us to the backyard. And then above this, in the ceiling, we also have some LED lighting. Beautiful. I'd also like to mention that this home was built by HD Living. Here we have a full bath. Look how beautiful that is. We got the water closet on this side. And on this side, we have the walk-in shower. Floor to ceiling tile. And we have the 3 bedrooms on this side, including the primary suite. And this one has carpet. Beautiful. Well, they all have carpet, but just wanted to mention that. Sliding doors that lead you to your closet. And then let's check out the other bedroom, the girls' bedroom. Very spacious in here. And you can see they fit 2 beds here, 2 twin beds. There's your closet. I gotta be honest, guys. I saw this house posted on Facebook and on some Instagram posts from some other realtors here in El Paso, and I was like, I need to come check this house out and show you guys on the YouTube. And we just walked into the primary suite, walk-in closet. You got some high ceilings here. And some shelves on this side, or dry bar, however you guys want to call that. And then we have the primary suite's full bath here. Beautiful walk-in shower. You got some LED lighting right there. Look how nice that is. Dual vanity on this side. Large mirror. The freestanding tub. And then we have the water closet to this side. This is beautiful, guys. And for the price that it's at, like, this is a steal. I'm telling you right now. Let's check out this closet. And now let's walk over to the backyard. Alright guys, well that's enough for the tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and also comment your thoughts on this home, guys. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace.